inside, the SA3 title holder, the man on the move, Daniel Edison. On the outside, that is the 199 of Barnard. The reigning, defending South African champion, GC Concrete, Christopher Burish. Finds himself on the inside of multiple South African champion, Byron Duplessis in the 67 car. Then the 555, also multiple South African champion. Well, you can never ever bet against the Hendrikus Botha, no matter where he's going to be starting. The bar tires 535 of Peter Meyer, that's in there behind that one. Looks like Gerald Klippers will be starting off the back end of the pack. And I think it's the 26, that's one. No, that's Tian Kuti. Tian Kuti that's coming off the back of the pack. Just in front of that is Michael Sinclair. So, going down to turn number 1 is going to be Versheer. That's going to hope for that whole shot. But right behind Versheer is one of the best, one of the fastest, one of the most consistent, one of the most experienced.
Ja nee, dis nou die 2.1's, nee? Die 2.1's. Woe! Mense, dis gevaarlik. Ja, kyk maar.
Dit natuurlijk.
Groot racing hierdie. 2.1's. Ja, dis fantasties.
So sal hulle nou staan.
Ons wag vir die wegspring weer. Dat was so 'n bietjie van 'n spin gewees. Right.
In die derde vir Ola Daniels, dan is dit Burger van die Westhuizen. Dan agter hulle is dit die 555 van Hendrikus Botha, nog 'n blitsvinnige mannetjie. Hendrikus Botha, pas op vir daai man.
Yeah, no doubt about it. There's a lot of quick cars further back. Remember, ex-2017 the South African champion, 1660s, Christopher Burish, GC Concrete, reigning South African Motorsport South Africa 2.1 champion, Christopher Burish. He's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He's down in 10th position. Had a chat with him earlier on. Say top 5 in all 3 races, and then thereafter be in the top 4 when you go out for the final. It will narrow out. It will be quite possible to go forward. In all respect, there's a very, very fast very well.